A Windsor man who tried to join a neo-Nazi organization has been found guilty of a terrorism charge. Seth Bertrand, 22, has been convicted of participating in or contributing to the activity of a terrorist group. The verdict was delivered by Justice Maria Caricia at Windsor Superior Court on August 7th. The court heard that in 2021, Bertrand filled out an online application for the Atomwaffen Division, also known as the National Socialist Order. The far-right hate group advocates armed violence to establish white nationalism. The Canadian government considers the Atomwaffen Division to be a terrorist entity. In his application, Bertrand promised his loyalty to the group, offered his experience as a mechanic and a military cadet, and wrote that he considers gay and Jewish people to be the enemy. Federal prosecutor Xenia Proestos feels the verdict is appropriate, even though Bertrand didn't carry out any missions for the group.
The criminal code specifically provides that it's not necessary that the activity actually be carried out. These groups use online forums to recruit and advance the activities of the group. Unfortunately, it's not the first time somebody's been convicted of this offense under the criminal code.
Bertrand bragged online about his real-world crimes in 2021, which included smashing a window and drawing swastikas at a trans support group and harassing an LGBTQ+ couple. Those acts led to Bertrand pleading guilty in 2022 to mischief and inciting hatred. The court heard that Bertrand told an undercover RCMP officer about his attempts to join what he termed domestic terrorism and his desire to arm himself. Bertrand's lawyer, Bobby Russin, says his client is a different person in 2025.
I know as counsel, and Mr. Bertrand knows as a person, that he committed a moral wrong. It really was an academic question. He's accepted what he's done. He's accepted responsibility for what he's done. Hating people based solely on race, sex, gender, creed, religion, or anything like that is obviously deplorable and has no place in the society. That's not always how Mr. Bertrand felt, but I do believe it is how he feels now.
Bertrand's terrorism charge has no minimum penalty, but carries a maximum sentence of 10 years in prison. The sentence hearing is set for October 6th. Until then, Bertrand remains out of custody. Dalson, Chen, CBC News, Windsor.